Oh dear Martin, welcome back. So the storm was blowing and I thought let's get down to the water's edge at the seaside. So here we are, Porth Call. Don't think I'm going to find very much, but we'll take some pictures of the waves and let's see how the morning develops. Wel, mae tywydd yma, dwi'n meddwl bydd na llawr i adrodd wythnos yma, so bosib iawn bydd ddim vlog bach dwy iaethog gan I weld. Well, there's not much going on. It might even be a short bilingual video this week, I think, just to get the job done, keep the series going, but we'll give it a go here for a bit longer and see what happens later in the day. Welcome to our moorland sea. Well, it's still windy as you can see, but it's not raining at the moment, so I've dropped down by the rocks here and I'm going to look for some shapes and colours in the rocks, check out some geology. So that's the next few moments and let's see what happens. Well, what a wild and crazy day. It wasn't a day for much talking, but we chased the storm and we're in the teeth of the storm, so we'll see what the photos and videos do later. Daylight's falling, as you can see, so that means I've been out for 5 or 6 hours. Managed to take a small break in the middle to warm up, but there we are. We chased the storm. We were out on a Wednesday. We feel a bit refreshed. See you next time. Wel, digon o gwynt, digon o storm, ac di bod allan am ryw 5 neu 6 awr rwan, ond dyna fo. Vlog bach dwy iaethog wythnos yma dwi'n meddwl, so gawn ni roed y lluniau a'r fideos at ei gilydd a gawn ni gweld beth yna. Wel, chi tro nesa, hwyl!